Hi, welcome to the channel of Dhanguard. I am Neha, the banking consultant at Dhanguard, and today let's talk about 10 business lessons and opportunities from Mahakumbh 2025. Well, the Mahakumbh is not just a spiritual gathering. It's a massive ecosystem of commerce, logistics, and innovation. For businesses, this 48-day event is a gold mine of insights and opportunities. Let's dive into 10 business lessons and opportunities inspired by Mahakumbh 2025. First, let's talk about the power of mega events. With over 150 million attendees, Mahakumbh proves that mega events are incredible opportunities for businesses. From logistics to entertainment, every sector can tap into the potential of large gatherings. Think beyond festivals. What event in your industry could you dominate? Huh? Second, let's talk about building a scalable infrastructure. Mahakumbh constructs an entire city from scratch, accommodating millions. Businesses can learn how to scale operations quickly and efficiently while ensuring consistent quality. Temporary infrastructure is a growing industry. How can you tap into this? Well, the third point would be hyperlocal marketing. Every stall at Mahakumbh caters to the audience's local taste and preferences. Business can create stronger customer connections by adopting hyper-local marketing strategies, tailoring products and services to the unique needs of specific region. Now, what about the technology in traditional spaces? Mahakumbh seamlessly blends tradition with technology. From mobile apps for navigation to drones for crowd management, there's a digital opportunity in even the most traditional markets. Businesses should explore ways to modernize legacy industries. Next, we should talk about the collaborative ecosystems. The event succeeds because multiple stakeholders collaborate: local vendors, NGOs, and authorities. For businesses, creating collaborative ecosystems can unlock new opportunities and solve complex challenges together. Next, we can talk about the data-driven decision-making. Mahakumbh uses advanced analytics to track crowd movement, predict bottlenecks, and allocate resources. Similarly, businesses can use data-driven insights to optimize customer experience, supply chains, and marketing campaigns, right? Now, the next point would be the untapped potential of Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets. Well, 18% of Mahakumbh visitors come from smaller towns and rural areas. Yet, they contribute a significant to the economy. Businesses often overlook these markets, but they are ripe for growth. How can your business cater to this rising consumer base? Eighth point, let's talk about affordable innovation. From local cost shelters to budget-friendly meals, Mahakumbh thrives on affordable innovation. Businesses can replicate this by creating simple, cost-effective solutions that solve real customer problems. Nextly, experiential marketing. Mahakumbh is an experience that people remember for a lifetime. Businesses can create lasting impressions by offering unique, impressive experiences for their customers. Focus on creating emotional connections, not just transactions, right? Nextly, the power of brand visibility in crowds. From corporate sponsorships to branded stalls, Mahakumbh offers brands unparalleled visibility. For businesses, being present where your target audience gathers in large number is key to building trust and recognition. So these were the 10 lessons from Mahakumbh 2025. As emerging entrepreneurs, let's implement these in our lives. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again.